Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video, I'm going to analyze Tata Power. Well, Tata Power for now looks a little weak. I'll let you know why. Let's go and do some analysis here. Okay, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'll use this point, the high what it has recently created, that was 91.65. This is the weekly chart. You can see this is the weekly chart. The previous week it has made a high of 91.65, and last 2 days we have seen this price 91.65 didn't breach. So let me plot a line here, a horizontal line at 91.65, and let's go and check out if there was any previous resistance here. Okay, you can see here price has resisted previously this level. Let's go back and see more. Okay, you can see here how this level has been holding. So this sounds to be a strong resistance. You can see here it has also acted as support here. Okay, now so this 91.65 looks as a strong resistance. The other thing what I want to check is the trend. Trend is very important. I'm using log chart here to draw the trend line. Okay, the stock has been holding the trend as well. Now the other thing on weekly chart what I usually check is the channel, how it looks when I draw a channel. Okay, on bigger time frame this is how the channel looks. Okay, now let's move to daily chart and let's analyze based on daily chart as well. I'll take out this. Okay, now let's go and check it out again. Okay, this looks good. Let me draw one more channel from this point. Okay, this looks good for now. Now guys, if you see properly, this has also formed a divergence. You can see here there's been forming a divergence here. Prices have been making higher highs, whereas the RSI has been dipping down. It's making lower highs here. So the next thing what I want to check is in 15 minutes chart, or let me go to 2 hour chart first. I'll remove this. Now let's go and check out in 15 minutes and 2 hour chart. Then let's decide what is the movement we can have. Okay. This is a simple analysis what I use. Okay, now you can see here the first thing, the price has been resisting this level. I have shown you before why this 91.65 is important. The other important thing here is I'll draw one more line here. Tomorrow probably I can use this for trading as well. Let me plot one more line from this low till this point. Okay, now guys, you can see here I have also explained you previously why this 50 moving average is important. You can see here how 50 moving average has acted as a good support here, right? Price has sustained at this level and then moved up, and once it has broken today below this 50 moving average, we have seen prices going down. So for tomorrow, the simple analysis on this is there are good chances prices can move back to this 50 moving average. This 50 moving average will be a key level, the first important thing. In case that breaks, price will move back to 91.65, and in case it doesn't move upside and it reverses down below this trend line what we have drawn, and I'll also plot a small support here, you can check this out. Below this 86.45 we can expect prices move down. We can expect prices move down to 85, 83.70 and 82.65. This is what I feel tomorrow there are good chances Tata Power can head down once it breaks this low, that is 86.45. And in fact, if you see in daily chart as well, it has also formed a bearish engulfing pattern. You can see here. This engulfing pattern is very powerful. I have explained you in the previous week as well. I mean, last 2 days back, I had shared some videos. And this range high and range low to be marked is very important. You can see here. Let me remove these drawings as well. So guys, for tomorrow it's simple. Once it breaks 86.45, today's low, there are good chances prices will start heading down. And on positional basis, I am also expecting prices to reach somewhere around this 50 moving average and this trend line, because you can see previously prices have reversed from this 50 moving average. So there are good chances in case this breaks this low, that is 86.545, we will have a target of 85, this low. But remember one thing, this is also formed a big inside bar. I'll tell you, for past 3 days the prices have been trading within this range. Let me mark this inside bar as well. This high, I'm talking about February 5th candle high and February 5th candle low, and you can see here next 2 days, that is February 8th and February 9th, these two candles have been trading in within this range candle, that is February 5th candle. So tomorrow, in case price sustains below this 86.45, we can see this low to come in, that is 85, and once this 85 breaks, then that's inside bar breakdown as well. So then there are good chances prices will start heading down. On positional prices, we can expect probably prices reach to 50 moving average, and below that this trend line will act as support, right? So this is a simple analysis. The reason why I have shared about Tata Motor, the first important thing, it was at a strong resistance. The second thing, I have seen bearish engulfing forming today, and the third important thing is the prices have been trading within a range from last 2 days. The range candle is of 5th February, right? This is a simple analysis. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Daily I'll try to share 2 to 3 stocks, and very soon I'll start sharing the candlestick patterns. I'll explain you each and every candlestick pattern. Almost around I use 14 to 16 candlestick pattern for my trading purpose. I'll explain you each and everything. Now in the next video you can check out Bajaj Finance and Asian Paints analysis as well. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day.